Welcome back to the SkyeTec Mobile Application Training Series. Today, we're going to be reviewing the code blower door duct blaster inspection type. From your work orders list, find this inspection and select it. As usual, you'll be taken to the work order information page. You cannot proceed past this page until you've verified the address. Also on this page is the super contacts, where you can call the construction manager by selecting their cell phone number. This inspection type is a combination of the code blower door and code duct blaster inspections. If you've reviewed those videos already, you'll get an idea of what to expect in this inspection type. On our base information, we have our permit and condition space, which are pulled in from SkyeTrack. You can change these if the information is incorrect once you've verified it from the energy calcs on site. In addition, you can fill out the HVAC company and your orientation. System Minneapolis is the default for 99% of our homes, so you'll likely won't need to change this. Next, you have your blower door inspection, followed by your duct blaster total and your duct blaster outside test pages. Final pictures and pass-fail are the final two pages on this inspection type. Let's take a quick look at the validations here. Because this inspection has a blower door, it needs to verify that the information is valid when you've conducted the test. In addition, you need to have pass-fail and final pictures. Let's start with the blower door. Enter your wall height and select the inspection type. We're going to do a single point inspection. If you're interested in reviewing the multi-point inspection type, it functions the exact same as an Energy Star final, and I encourage you to review that video in the SkyeTec playlist. For fan ring, we'll go ahead and select B, trying to get the tightest fan ring possible for the most accurate inspection that we can, and of course opening our fan ring up to A or open if necessary for the home. So I'll change that back and record my fan pressure. At this point in the inspection, you may want to take a picture. Select the green camera icon and go ahead and just take your picture, and we'll go over to final pictures to verify that picture is there. As you walk the home, if you know anything of importance, you can take a picture on virtually any page, and it will show up here on the final pictures. In addition, once you've taken your front elevation, you can select it by tapping the image, and the mobile application will highlight it to let you know which one is the front elevation. Back on the blower door page, we'll see that the information I put was fan ring B, fan pressure 50. It's already calculated a fan flow, and I've got some data here. However, I haven't put in anything for my temperature readings or my elevation, so the blower door is still not valid. We'll have to go back and fill out the inside and outside temperature and any elevations if there's one that needs to be recorded. The test data down here can be used to fill out the energy calcs and the code blower door paperwork that's needed for the builder. We'll take a note here that it's 3.59 ACH 50, so that when we go to our pass-fail, we can determine if that value exceeds the allowable ACH 50 for that home. For this home, I'm going to do a duct blaster outside test. If it was necessary to do a total test, I could do that instead or in addition to. I'll select my fan ring and record the supply reading in the condition space for this home. If this was a multi-system home, I would want to put the individual square footage for this. But since this would be, hypothetically, a single-story home, this individual square footage is just going to equal the condition space of the entire home. That means that the information here is going to reflect the information down in test results. We'll see here that the QN is 0.44 or 4.4%. Let's say that this home does not allow a QN of 3% or higher. This means the home would fail. If I select fail and try to complete the inspection, it will not let me until I've provided comments. Selecting pass does not require comments to be filled out. However, we encourage all inspectors to provide as much feedback as possible to the builder. So because this one had a QN higher than the allowable limit, this home fails. All you have to do is fill out your information here, submit done, and you've completed another inspection. To submit this to SkyeTrack, Select the menu on the top left, go to Completed Work Orders, and you'll see down at the bottom that this inspection has not been submitted because there's no check mark. We will actually select Sync in the top right, and we will get this pop-up. You can refresh the page by leaving and coming back, or just dragging your finger down from the top, and you will now see a check mark is present. This means the sync is complete, everything in this list has been successfully sent off, and you have nothing to worry about.